Jadi teman-teman, hari ini aku keliling ibu kota Amerika Serikat, Washington DC. Tapi dengan cara yang simple dan seru, naik DC Hop on Off Hop Bus. Bus wisata ini jadi salah satu cara paling praktis buat ekspor tempat-tempat ikonik tanpa harus ribet cari arah atau parkir. Busnya cukup tinggi dan jendelanya terbuka lebar. Kita bisa ngerasain angin seger dan view-nya dari bus ini luar biasa teman-teman. Berdasarkan pengalaman aku, kalau kita booking tiket jauh hari semakin murah harganya. Pesen tiketnya mudah banget, bisa online atau langsung di tempat. Dan tiket ini berlaku seharian, jadi kita bisa naik turun di mana aja. Oke teman-teman, sekarang bis ini udah mulai keliling. Lihat deh teman-teman, pemandangannya seger banget ya. Ini dia salah satu spot paling terkenal di DC. Bangunan ini adalah tempat berkumpulnya Kongres Amerika dan jadi simbol demokrasi negara ini. Dari Capitol, bus lanjut ke area paling ikonik di DC, National Mall. Di sini kita bisa lihat Washington Monument, Thomas Jefferson Memorial, Lincoln Memorial, dan Reflecting Pool yang sering banget muncul di film teman-teman. View-nya keren dan semuanya bisa diakses secara gratis. Nah, kita ngelewatin monumen yang menjadi monumen berkuda paling besar di Amerika loh teman-teman. Gak jauh dari sini ada deretan Smithsonian Museum, dari museum sejarah alam, pesawat luar angkasa, sampai seni. Dan yang paling keren, semuanya gratis masuknya.
He was never paid for his service, for his survey work, for his architectural designs, or for the plans for the new city. They fired first that house was tore down, and that was the end of it. Mr. LeBron died lonely and broke. Now we're coming up here, down here to the wharf. This is the smallest section of DC. And down here is the down here is the wharf. Right here. And the wharf has 4 piers. And the reason they have 4 piers, each pier is off a different element of what's going on. Right here. Have a good day. Thank you. If by chance his nephew were to pass away and not have any children, then the money will be given to the United States. And it turns out his nephew passed away, didn't have any kids, so the money was given
Oh ya, meskipun penuh dengan gedung pemerintahan, di sini juga banyak ruang hijau dan trotoar yang rapi tertata. Sehingga warga dan wisatawan tetap bisa nikmatin udara segar dan berjalan santai di sekitar sini. Di setiap persimpangan jalan, pasti selalu ada zebra cross yang memudahkan pejalan kaki untuk menyeberang. Iya. Maret ya? Baru mau ya?
Thomas Jefferson was our 1, 2, 3 president. He was our first Secretary of State. He was our second president, and he was our second vice president and our third president. And that is Thomas Jefferson over there on your right. He helped write the Declaration of Independence as well as our Bill of Rights. And he founded the University of Virginia.
Thomas Jefferson merupakan Presiden Amerika Serikat yang ketiga sekaligus penulis utama Deklarasi Kemerdekaan Amerika Serikat, teman-teman. Dan ini adalah monumen yang dipersembahkan untuk beliau. Besar banget ya, teman-teman. Ini mau dibikin apa ya? Ini mau dibikin apa ya? Oh.
And right here is our stop number 8. That is the only building that is not in DC but has a DC address. And if you look to the right of the Pentagon, there are 3 spiral spikes sticking up out of the ground, and that is the U.S.
Diantarin ke klinik.
Now, as we come up, we're going to come up on the. We're coming up right here at the Lincoln Memorial, and at the Lincoln Memorial, you'll get to see there are 36 pillars going around that memorial, and the reason for the 36 pillars. And what after you look at the President Garfield, then he overlooks talking about his father was assassinated. And then a week later, they were together and just come back. And every time we asked Robert Todd, they know. I think he had and decided, okay, I'm going to come because you asked, and whatever happens, happens. Now, ladies and gentlemen, we're going to come up on our World War II Memorial. This is World War II Memorial. You'll see 66 buildings going around that memorial. One is the World War II effort.
Iya, dari dekat ya. Beginilah Monasnya Amerika, teman-teman. Hampir mirip kayak Monasnya Indonesia ya. Tingginya juga nggak beda jauh. Enggak ya? Enggak.
All located right there in that building over there on your right. And that is the African American Museum on History and Culture. And now we're going to come up on the American History Museum. And that's the American History Museum. You'll get to see your first lady dress, your evolution of television, and your rear Dorothy and the Wizard of Oz. All located right here inside the American History Museum. Yeah, this is 3 officers. Lincoln. map right here for you to see. And as we go down, over here on your left is the Ford Theater with the very long line. And over here to your right is the Peterson Boarding House.
Bioskop nih. Tempat Lincoln dibunuh ya dia.
It's not part of the Waldorf Astoria. You walk down like you're going to the Waldorf Astoria, go to the side of it, and you go in, you'll see a park ranger, except for today it's closed. I'm so with the story with him, and they are closed today for over 12 years. And I know y'all don't believe me, so for those that don't believe me, I tell you what to do. Look over to
Jadi kesimpulannya, keliling Washington DC pakai hop on hop off bus ternyata seru banget dan pemandangan ibu kota Amerika ternyata rapi dan cantik banget. Buat teman-teman yang lagi mampir ke DC, boleh banget cobain tour bus ini. Oke teman-teman, terima kasih udah ikutin keseruan kita kali ini. Tolong like, comment, and subscribe kalau kalian suka sama video ini. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.